at the Euroblast Festival with beer. Hey guys, how are you?
We're fine.
Good,
We're
fine.
tired.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Tired? Oh.
Sweaty, to say the least.
Yeah, the show was very good. I loved it.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Is it your first time here at the Euroblast Festival? Or
No.
no?
Right.
I think it's the fourth time.
Fourth time.
Fourth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
It's my
First time. Actually, like we once played in a different location.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the underground.
The underground.
Yeah.
Then we had the second time we played on the big stage. Was 3 or 4 years ago, I think. Then we played in the basement.
Yeah.
Which is like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And we got this year, so it's the fourth time to play here.
That was good. Do you like the Euroblast Festival? How is the feeling here that you're at the stage?
It's always awesome.
Really?
People are always so friendly towards us and makes us feel welcome. So that's cool.
Also, throughout the years, we know a lot of people, so it's always nice to like see people back that we haven't seen in a while. So it's always nice.
Almost feel like it's coming home actually.
So you guys published this year your album. Okay, maybe I'm blaming myself right now, but I don't know how you pronounce this. Maybe
Slash.
I didn't know either.
and it's quite good. I love it really. So what have you done in the gap between this album and the latest one you published? The slash and the Wonderful.
Basically, try to play as much as possible. I think after Numenon we did 3 tours in the UK.
Yeah.
We also went to France and Italy.
Yeah, France, Italy, Switzerland, I think.
We tried to play as much as possible actually. So, and then while touring and playing, it's very difficult to write new stuff. So in between we tried to make a new album, and then eventually that's slash.
Yeah. It took us a longer while to make a new album.
Mm-hmm.
For our going stage, every time me and my members have the same ritual, like putting the hands in the middle and saying woo and stuff like this. Have you some rituals that you do before you go on stage?
I don't think as a band. I think everyone has like their individual things that they do. But I don't think as a band we just go on stage.
The occasional fist bump.
Yeah, occasional fist bump or so, but it's not like we have big rituals.
No.
Change and put on a white shirt. Actually, that's
Actually put on a white shirt. That's the ritual.
And a bit of stretching.
maybe.
Yeah, which I didn't do today.
And then
you're fucked tomorrow.
and we kind of mess up the fist bump thing every time we go up. So
Yeah, it's
Like,
almost
someone's gonna do a high five.
everybody's like that. So it's like,
yeah, exactly.
So I think that's the reason why we don't do it.
Well, okay, that's cool. For someone who doesn't know your band, how would you describe your music, your style?
That's difficult because we still don't know
I could
ourselves.
give it a try. Somewhere in between Dillinger Escape Plan, Mastodon, and Gojira, but way more chaotic. Not as chaotic as Dillinger Escape Plan, maybe, but way more chaotic as Gojira.
somewhere in between metal and hardcore. And
Actually,
intense.
We just try to put as many influences in the songs and in the albums as we can. Because we listen to a lot of different music styles, so it kind of comes from everywhere. So we still don't know which style we're playing.
Whatever works.
Whatever works.
Is okay for us.
if you like it, it's a go.
Yeah, if you like it, then it's a go.
When I write songs, I need always quiet place where I can concentrate on my thoughts. What inspires you to write songs?
Tricky one.
What kind of questions are these? I just like we said before, kind of like whatever like sounds good or feels good, we just play it, and it's not that we have to separate us and we have to write this and go to that style. Just like we come in the rehearse room and start jamming, and that's this is a good piece, and we start working further on that, and next time like bass player or guitar player has like a new part added to it, and then we go on, and it's kind of like that process. It's not really like let's sit down and has to sound like this, have to be like this. Kind of comes like
I'd
how
say
we
it's
feel it.
probably like a mix of different different things, and everybody has their own approach to writing music as well. I mean, you know, like you said, you might be in just rehearsing or whatever, and hey,
But I think
we
that
might be
the basic ideas get worked out at home
Yeah.
by a certain member, and then you bring your ideas to the rehearsal room, and then it all gets mixed up. So, and it doesn't really matter who comes up with a riff or an idea. So, and if anything doesn't work, we'll just throw it away, or maybe try to recap it, something like that. But I think most riffs or most new music comes from negative vibes, actually, because I think most of the thing that's at least when I feel when something bad happens, I really need to play music, or I need that outlet. So
form of catharsis. So you get all the negative feelings that you have out very, very easily.
Yeah. When I get negative thoughts, I just write it down, write songs that give some chills,
that's what he does.
I think it's like for vocals, it's different because most of the time we have like a song finished, and then he puts the vocals on. So I think
it's always a surprise.
It's always a surprise.
Right,
most of
in
the
a
time.
week before we have to go into the studio.
Most of the time, you come in the studio, you go like, "You got vocals?" You go, yeah. We're like, "Oh, that's good. Let's hear it." But it's always good. It's always good.
Normally we know like on 3 songs we have heard some vocals. That's like
from the 12.
In the best case.
And then he still goes like, "Yeah, I might change it."
but it works. I mean, in the studio, where most of the time it's like, whoa, man, that's cool. Even songs that we started to dislike, like I don't think that's a cool song anymore. That's like, fuck, it's a great song with its vocals on top. So
Yeah, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's how it works.
true.
Yeah, it's true.
Music exists for several years and passed through many different situations. What do you think is the best thing and what the worst thing you experienced together as a band?
The best thing I think is like that we're still a band after all these years. Like the band is never like everything always goes well. There's always downsides, upsides, and we still stick together. So I think that's the good thing.
And that's even, actually, the way you say it, it's also the bad thing.
It's also exactly. It's also the bad thing that we stick
It's
together.
like a constant wave.
There's never this moment that like I'm fed up, and then you go to the rehearse, and then alright, and it's always like this. It's kind of like this love-hate relationship.
Something like that, yeah.
Perseverance.
So all the good things are the bad things.
That's deep, man.
I cried a bit.
I also give my own seminars and stuff. So
He does birthdays as well.
Touring can be stressful and also a bit nerve-wracking, right? What do you do to compensate the stress? Like
Play.
just some
yeah, we play.
I'm sure.
That's the only way to like.
Actually, when you're on tour, it's like the entire day waiting to get on stage. For me, it's
And even like a day like today, like it's a bigger festival, you experience a little bit of stress. But like the moment you hit the first notes and everything comes together, it's like you're gone, and the stress is gone. All you can think of is like play, having fun, and just enjoying the time. You forget everything else. So
So last question. Do you want to say anything to your fans?
We have fans.
Where?
Okay, just say it to the camera.
We want to thank everyone that showed up, everyone that washes and stage dives and have fun. And
Should we say a special apology to the security guard?
Oh yeah. We're sorry. I'm really sorry to have heard that.
Sorry for the
security guy that was like the right dude at the wrong spot, actually.
I think maybe forgive you. So
I really am so sorry.
We're sorry.
We want to play again. So.
okay, I'm a fan of your new album. Can you please sample this for me?
Yeah,
Is
of
it
course.
okay?
Yes.
Thanks. Here.
Awesome.
Okay, cool.
makes
I
sense.
always
Okay.
wreck things. It's,
So it's supposed to be funny.
you sure you're not gay?
Well, actually, I have a question a long time ago.
You can write. Okay.
He's getting nervous now. So, oh fuck, what's the next line?
I'm just gonna
Actually, we got like 3 lefties in the band.
Yeah.
do 3?
Yeah,
Really?
he's the only one.
Oh wow.
I'm
okay.
right wing.
We're all.
I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't. That's a bad choice of words.
Yeah, I know.
There you go.
Awesome.
Thank you very much for
You're
this.
very welcome. Thanks for the interview.
Yeah, thanks for the interview.
Thank you
Thanks
very
for
much
your support.
for nice little talk.
All right,
We
cool.
appreciate it.
Awesome.
And sorry for getting back so late.
No, it's
Your mail is, I think, was in July, and I was on holiday, so it completely passed. And someone opened the mail, so it.
okay.
So and then, like this week was like, interview? Fuck, no one replied. Okay, let's get this straight.
All right.
So thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Let us help people with you.